Alrighty, yo, what is going on, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. DDG94 here, back with another reaction video. Today we finna react to man hijacks 39,000-pound bulldozer and Rams police cars. This nigga was on some GTA 5 shit. What the fuck? Alright, man, let's get right. Hey, yo, this nigga out here doing GTA missions, bro. Ain't no way.
On January 4th, 2026, Henderson police officers were dispatched to a private construction site in Henderson, Nevada, after receiving reports of a man jumping the fence onto the property.
Man's out here doing GTA 5 missions, bro. Nigga said, fuck GTA 6, I'm gonna do my own mission.
I need police immediately over one of our construction sites. It's going to be 601 North Water Street.
Say the address one more time.
601 North Water Street. It's going to be the entrance on Taylor Street.
What's it? Hold on. What's the name of the site? Is it just a construction site?
It is a construction site. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And what's your phone number?
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
We just had somebody hop the fence, and it looks like he's hot wiring one of the bulldozers right now.
Do you have video of this?
I'm watching him live right now.
You're unseen or video?
He's telling you this because he's clearly telling you this. He's watching it.
Over video, and we have a guard on site, and I did dispatch them.
Okay, hold on one sec. And he's hot wiring a bulldozer?
It looks like it, yeah.
Okay, I'll get a description. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, it looks like he's messing around with it right now because the bulldozer's right in front of our camera unit.
Okay, where's security?
They're supposed to be on site. I called them right away. I'm currently unsure.
So you called them, and what did they say?
I don't know. They said that they'd be there right away, but I don't currently have eyes on them or see them. Also, I dispatched vet tech there first. I don't know where they're at, but she said
Christian,
they got officers on
see any?
Oh, them niggas getting fired. Whoever the security guard is, oh, you getting fired, brother.
Any weapons?
No. I just saw him with the blue towel, and it looks like a shoebox or like a brown box full of tools,
Okay.
possibly.
Okay.
Hello?
Henderson 911, what is the address that you're referring to?
So I have a guy trying to steal a bulldozer. He's just threatening to kill me. I'm at a security at one of the property. It's going to be 601 Water Street in Henderson. He's trying to steal a bulldozer right now. I tried getting him off the property, but he was threatening to kill me. And he has a weapon on him as well, and he's a Mexican guy. He's in the bulldozer right now trying to steal it.
Okay, stay on the line with me.
I will.
Hey, breathing heavy.
Okay, your security's on scene with us. It looks like that guy threatened to kill her.
Oh, you threatened to kill her?
Yeah, we might be on the phone with her. Do you see security on scene?
Okay. I have not. No, I have not seen. I've not seen security, but maybe she made contact with him earlier and I didn't see it. I don't know. Let me look.
Okay. Is it a woman, Princess?
The security?
Yeah.
Yes, that's our security guard. That's Princess.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like security's. We're getting a call from someone. I can't tell it. So security's on scene, advising a Hispanic male threatened to murder her. Still trying to murder her. I don't know. Do you see what he's doing now?
He's just sitting in the bulldozer. It looks like he possibly could be talking to himself.
Okay, I've got officers about to arrive.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, I still see the suspect in the bulldozer.
Okay.
Now he got the motherfucker working. God damn it. Now he done ran off with the damn bulldozer. Damn.
Copy, I see him. And he's taking off. He's coming towards me now. Hey!
That.
He's coming right at my patrol vehicle. Hey! Stop! Stop now!
Oh, he turning it. Oh! Yeah, I'm about to say, get the poppin'. Get the poppin'. Y'all ain't got no problem when it's a black person. Y'all better get the poppin' right now.
He's still moving forward. The whole car. Stop right there! Stop!
Oh damn! Oh damn! Destruction of police property. Oh you finna be doing you finna be doing a cool little 25. Cool 25. I'm about to say, get the poppin'.
Shots fired.
Do not move! Get cover here. Come this way, sir.
Damn. Smash your shit.
Advise officer status when you can.
We're code 4. We got one at gunpoint. He's got his hands in the air. Hey! Can you hear us? Kill. Hey! Can you hear us?
Fuck all that, can you hear us shit? Yank that nigga out the car.
Okay. He's moving. Okay. We shot. I'm pretty sure he's hit. So we're probably gonna have to. Hey, keep your hands up! Hey, start crawling out toward us. I'm gonna go get a shield. All right, we're gonna try to get him to crawl out toward us.
You need to grab the 40. Let me go hands.
Who shot?
I shot. I shot. Yeah, I shot and Jacob shot.
Okay, I will be hands. You're gonna stay lethal. You see it, you're gonna stay lethal.
Copy, heck, you go ahead.
Do we have a 40?
Yeah, let me get a 40.
Get a 40.
I got one.
Hey, keep your fucking hands! Bulldozer!
Do we have a 40? Let's get a 40 up. Hey!
He said, get the 40 out.
Listen to me,
On this thing.
sir. You're gonna slowly climb out of the bulldozer, come down those steps, and get down on your knees. You understand?
He understands. God damn.
Hey, keep your hands where we can see them. Get out of the bulldozer slowly.
He understands. He just don't care.
You climb out of the bulldozer slowly.
Alviso, give him Spanish ones. Can you get a good shot on the 40 from there? Yeah, come over here. Louder, Alviso. What's he saying?
Yeah, hey, watch our backfire. There's a car that just pulled up right behind.
Hey, you need to come this way to us. What's he saying?
And get out of the bulldozer slowly. Keep your hands up.
Come here.
What do you think about approaching?
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to.
Before this gets mobile again? I'm going lethal's down.
I want someone on that side.
I got you.
We're just gonna go up there. We're gonna
Hands up!
Yeah, that's fine. What's up?
Did he go with him or what? Huh? Hey!
Yeah, go ahead.
Take your hand out of your jacket! Take it right in now!
And at this point, just pop this nigga, bro. I know, but it's like he clearly on some bullshit, bro. At this point, just pop. I say just tase the nigga and get him the fuck out of there. Tase him, detain him, put him on the ground, bro.
We're still giving commands. He's inside the bulldozer. Bulldozer's not moving. His hands are up. He's refusing to come out.
Hey, give me some over here!
Hey, hey, Okami, come here. Never mind, we got there. So his hands are up. He's just refusing to come out. So we're eventually going to go up there. We don't know about any weapons, but we're just going to go. He's not refusing.
You want me hands on?
Yeah, can you be hands on?
Yeah.
Here.
Hands on.
Yeah. I got Okami going with you.
Okay, Okami, me and you.
You're going to get shot again if you put your hands down.
Hey, we're moving up.
We're moving up. Do not reach for anything. Help Brown when he comes down.
I got hands on him.
Hey, 40 up. 40 is that.
Brown, watch out.
Hold up.
Lethal down.
40.
40 deployed.
Say, just tase him.
Let's go.
Tase them, detain them. That's all you gotta do. You don't have to go lethal with it.
40 was deployed. He's still uncooperative. We're working on getting him out. All right. 40 again. There you go. Come on, bring it. Watch your steps, son. You need to come. Come on.
Damn, he fights! Hey, alright, Murph, we'll holler at you. God damn, that nigga fight! Hey, yo, ain't nobody trying to see that shit! God damn!
Watch it! Hey, get him out of there! Get move out of there! Get out of here! Watch your foot! Chloe!
Hey, he's gonna be get off. Hey, expedite medical to start.
Stand over there. Relax. Get him.
Both officers and the suspect were transported to a nearby hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. He was subsequently charged with attempted murder with a deadly weapon, resisting a public officer, grand larceny of a motor vehicle, and destruction of property, and was transported to the Henderson Detention Center later that day.
Yeah, but did he do time, though? That's the question. How much time did that nigga get? That nigga got it. That nigga got to do at least a cool 40 in jail, bro. A cool 25 for a cool 40 in jail, bro. Come on, bro. He tried to run a cop over with it. He threatened the security guard. He threatened the security guard life. He stole construction property. That's a big ass fine right there. Stealing a bulldozer, I know that's a fat ass fine right there. Shit, you ran over a police car. That's gonna get you a fine for sure. That's federal property. That's government property right there. Them cars is government property. You doing yeah, nigga gotta at least be doing 30. Nigga gotta be at least doing 45 to 30 with a L, with a pending L on the side. Got to be. Anyways, though, That's just gonna about do it for this one. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, deuces.